King of the winners bracket battles. Earth Wolf 105 WD and Phantom Orion BD. So the letters are Dakota and this long shot. And me. I look creepy, don't I?
And we're doing this in a fun this morning.
Yep, the start of one at least. I'll probably hear a lot of it if the camera will stay. I'll probably adjust it.
Let's hurry up.
Round 1, 3, 2. Oh, that was awesome.
In the practice battles, Phantom Orion got a stadium out as soon as he launched it, because it landed right on top of Earth Wolf as soon as we launched it.
As soon as we launched it, Earth Wolf kind of moved a bit faster than Orion, so kind of.
And also, Earth Wolf has an advantage whenever it gets under Phantom Orion, whenever it's off balance.
Yeah, it's because of the height of the BD. BD has the same height as 230 spin track.
Yeah, that's the advantage Earth Wolf has over Phantom Orion.
Exactly. Yeah, that's why Orion's slowing down and losing.
Yes.
Right now. So.
First battle is going to Earth Wolf.
Yep, Manhounds, and I'm not changing my own. Yes. 3, 2.
Ooh, Earth Wolf gets directly under it to start off the match.
And almost knocks it into the penalty hole. That would have been amazing. As a quick way.
Oh, Earth Wolf is getting
assaulting Orion.
Earth Wolf is getting perfectly under that fusion wheel of his.
Exactly. But luckily it's not destroying the PC core.
Yes. Phantom Orion managed to regain his balance while Earth Wolf was circling around him. So that may be a problem, Bradley.
It may not.
As you can tell, Orion is.
Actually, they can't see it as well as we can.
Yeah, but Orion, he's.
Well, you can see it's going off balance, and you can kind of see that slowing.
Earth Wolf is up 2-0.
Phantom Orion's losing. Why?
And he thought Phantom Orion was undefeated.
Well, when I do it, it is.
But Earth Wolf.
3, 2. Whoa!
Earth Wolf has managed to beat Orion.
That was a big boom. You guys hear that?
I hope you did.
And it did. That was a huge boom. It shook the house. You got knocked.
Lightning struck, dude. I'm talking a block from here.
No, get out!
Out. How about you get my pants? I know, I'm like, man, that shit.
Got out.
I just watched it. Not even 2 blocks.
Nice. Interrupted by who might as well be his brother and his dog. And yes, the lightning struck that close. That's why the house shook.
Ooh, Phantom Orion will be brought down.
By Wolf. No.
Wolf?
Orion.
Wolf just got a flawless victory on Orion.
Orion.
That's my boy. That's my boy.
And the owner Orion's owned by Chris. And the Orion is the owner Orion is owned by Chris. Wow, I screwed up my commentary completely.
Alright.
If you like these videos, rate, comment, subscribe, and if you paid attention to any of the other videos, you already know what the next battle is going to be.
This will be an epic game changer, Bradley.
Yes, it will. Now, we need to get the winners of the last bracket ready for the battle after next. If you like these videos, rate, comment, subscribe, and get ready for the epic battle that decides who's going to get against the next thingy.